Welcome to your Bespoke AI Advantage mini course. This course is aimed at business leaders like you to give you thinking frameworks around AI so that you are better positioned to identify AI opportunities within your business and successfully lead AI initiatives. 95% of AI projects fail. This is according to an MIT Nanda Institute report. This means that AI literacy among business leaders is very important before delving into the world of AI implementation in business. My name is Bulama Yusuf, and I'm the founder of Intellectual Apps and Bulama.io. I have 2 decades of experience in tech, and over the last decade, I've been working closely with business leaders, helping them craft practical strategies around tech and guiding the implementation in their business so that they drive more efficient processes. This course is made up of 5 parts. In the first part, we're going to look at the spectrum of AI solutions so that it gives you a thinking framework on how to understand and relate with AI in business. The next, we're going to talk about intelligence augmentation. How do you mix human intelligence and artificial intelligence in your business? And how do you deal with staff anxiety? The third part, which is the third lesson, will cover the circuits framework, which helps you to view your business as a data machine. In the fourth one, we'll discuss how to identify AI opportunities within your business. And lastly, we'll round up with AI governance, security, risks, and how to develop responsible AI. So let's start with the first lesson.